Hey everyone, I'm Sharona Usher and I'm so excited to show you guys how to create this beautiful peach springy look using the new Foam Ink Wispy Lashes and makeup from Ardell's new beauty line. So first up, we're going to start with brows. I'm grabbing a product called Stroke a Brow and I'm going to use that to stroke my brows and make them look like natural hairs. I'm using two different colors, the dark brown and the medium brown, to get a natural gradient effect. Moving on to the eyes, we'll begin by applying the In Her Prime Eye Primer. This is a shimmer-based primer and I love using this when I do shimmer eyeshadows because it keeps my shadow from smudging, keeps it from falling out, and just stays in place all day. To create this beautiful peachy look, I'm going to use one of the Sensual eyeshadow palettes, and this one's called First Love. So I'm starting with the neutral, warm, soft brown color in the palette to kind of create a nice soft crease. Next up, I'm picking up the peachy pink color from the palette and applying that all over my lid to really make the colors pop. To make the look a little more dramatic, I'm using the darkest shade from the palette and applying that along my outer corners and slightly into my crease. Moving along, I'm going to run that same dark shade underneath my eyes. The last step in the eyeshadow is to apply the brightest color in the quad along my inner corner and my brow bone for a nice pop and highlight. Another reason I love this eyeshadow palette is because the brightest shade in there doubles up as a highlighter, so I'm going to take that along the height of my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, and a little bit along my nose. Next up, we're going to apply a nice winged liner using the Lash Bustier. I love this liner because it's actually got a strengthening serum built in, so it actually helps your lashes look thicker. A little trick with liquid liner is to start by drawing your wing first and then pulling the product inside. I'm going to apply a few coats of the Wispy's Fiber Building Mascara to really amp up my lashes. Alright, now to finish off the eyes, we are going to apply some false lashes, and for that I am grabbing the new Foam Ink Wispies by Ardell. These are your favorite wispies in a foam ink version. Now that I've got my fluttery lashes on, we're moving on to the lips. For that, I'm going to start by applying the Forever Kissable Lip Stain in the shade Sneak Preview. And on top of that kissable lip stain, we're going in with the matte whipped lipstick in the shade Nude Photo. And that's it, you guys. That's a wrap. This is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this springtime look. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products, head on over to Ulta.com. Let us know if you enjoyed this video by liking and subscribing and commenting below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.